Hello everyone, it's Lizzie and welcome to my channel. So today is going to be a part 2 video of my luxury skincare slash a bit of makeup haul. So I will leave the part 1 in the description box down below, but I decided to split up the videos just because I just felt like it was going to be super long. But all the products mentioned will be listed in the description box down below. I will leave links, hopefully, if these products, you can get these products throughout the year, but a few of these are sets that I got during the sale. But I'm gonna get straight into it just because I don't want it to be super long. I want to start off with like the makeup products just because I only have 3 and they're from Benefit. And I picked up Gimme Brow, which this is like one of my favorite brow products, and I've actually finished the current one that I have, and I really do like this. I don't have like bushy brows, like this is all filled in. If I take this all off, I don't have much brow, so I really do like using this to kind of make my brows look a bit fuller. I picked up 2 of these new products to me, and it's the Precisely My Brow Pencil in the shade, I believe, 5, and I absolutely love like the packaging of these. It's just so luxurious and extra for no reason. And I believe this is like the darkest shade they have, and it just looks like that. It's like a really dark brown. I don't know if there's anything on the other end. Oh, there's a spoolie, didn't know that. But yeah, I got this brow pencil from Benefit, and then I also got the Eyebrow Duo. So it comes with a highlighter. So that's the highlighter. Well, they're both highlighters to be fair, but this one is like shimmery and then this one is matte. You can see that there, which I'm actually really excited to try the matte side just because I always like clean up my brows with concealer, but now I could just literally just use this. So yeah, I'm excited to try this. Let me know if you've tried this product out. I don't really see many people talking about it, but yeah, I really wanted to try this, so I picked this up. So now everything else is skincare because I am obsessed with skincare. Like, I want my skin to look A1 at all times. But I picked up 2 products from GlamGlow. They actually came in a set, and the first thing is the GlamGlow Supercleanse Clearing treatment. If you haven't tried it, you need to get onto this. This is the best product if you've got acne, if you've got problematic like hormonal spots, any like random breakout. This is the absolute best. I actually put my mom onto this and I got her this same set too because it's amazing. I will say though that I would have probably bought 2, but this dries out pretty quickly. Like the last, not pretty quickly, but it does dry out, and if it's cold most of the time it's going to dry out even quicker. So the current one I have is basically done. There is still product left, but it's so dry, it's non-usable, so I had to pick up another one. But this is the best like clearing treatment ever. If you don't want to put it all over your face, you could definitely just put it on like your problematic areas, which is something that I sometimes do. Love this. And then in this set it also came with this super cleanser, and it's the clearing cream to foam cleanser. I've never tried this before, but I really love, like, it's huge. So I'd be interested to see how this works for me. It clearly, well, it looks like it's part of the same line, so I feel like if this is great, this has to be great too, because this is honestly like, I can't, please get onto this. It's been out for a minute, but I feel like GlamGlow products are just not as popular as they used to be back in the day. But this, honestly guys, get onto it because it's so good, and I'm really excited to try this cleanser with it as well. Next up, I picked up this kit from Summer Fridays. Again, this is another product that's very new to me. I've been hearing Summer Fridays everywhere, and so I got this little set. It comes with this really cute like cosmetic bag, and it comes with a jet lag mask, and this apparently is like their best seller. But I do believe there was like an issue with like the products, and there was like a really bad batch, and so they reformulated it. So if your product has a, yes, thank God mine does, if your product has a sticker, that means it's part of the reformulated batch. But this is just how it looks. This is meant to be like one of their best sellers and like what made them popular. So I'm excited to try this. And then the next two things in here are a cleanser. This is the Summer Fridays Super Amino Acid Gel Cleanser. And it just looks like this. I love cleansers, you just can't go wrong with them. So I'm excited to try this. Hopefully it's like a gentle cleanser, because those are the cleansers that I kind of gravitate towards. And then lastly, it came with this Soft Reset Exfoliating Solution. I'm not sure if this is meant to be like a toner of some sort, but I'll have to read like the packaging, what it's supposed to do and how I'm supposed to use it. But yeah, it came with these 3 products, which I think is just great value for money, and I'm super excited to try it. And I love this pad, it's just super cute. So I picked that up, and I believe I got this from, I don't know if it was Space NK or Cult Beauty, it was one of them. And then I picked up some products from Farmacy, which I'm super excited to try. The first is this Deep Sweep 2% BHA Pore cleaning toner, and I do have pores, which I'm working on. This is just how it looks. I've only seen great things about Farmacy. They are pretty expensive, so I'd rather just get them like in the sale when they're doing like 20% off. And then to go with that, I also have this Whipped Greens Oil-free foaming cleanser. And I think my favorite type of cleanser are foaming cleansers, because I feel like they just look like they're working. Sometimes with gel cleansers, I just feel like sometimes, I don't know, I just feel like sometimes they don't feel like they're doing anything. But I really do like foaming cleansers, and it's great that it's oil free, because obviously I do have oily skin. This has like moringa and papaya, so I can't smell anything now, but maybe this does have a scent. But you're supposed to use this in the morning and in the evening on wet skin, so I'm excited to try these 2 together. Another set I got is again from Farmacy, and it's the Garden Party Green Clean Trio. So this, I believe, is limited edition, but you can get the products individually, which is why I wanted to show it. So these are meant to be cleansing balms, and oh my god. So I currently use like micellar water to remove my makeup, but I really want to start using cleansing balms, because I feel like they do a better job. And I've heard nothing but great things about the Farmacy cleansing balms. So this set came with 3. It came with strawberry, I believe lemon, and then orange. Let me just smell one of them. I don't really like the strawberry one. It smells really artificial, but hopefully these are really good. They're really decent size. Like I said, you can get these. If you can't find this set, you can definitely get them like individually. I believe like their green one is like their most popular one, but I'm really excited to try this. I'm definitely going to use it today when I remove my makeup, because I really want to start getting into cleansing balms and then just removing my makeup that way, rather than using like micellar water and a cheap like cotton bag. So yeah, I picked up that, and then I picked up a few things from Origins. I feel like people don't talk about Origins enough. It's honestly a great brand, and they have really great skincare. And I picked up some things that this is just repurchases for me. So the first thing I got was the Refreshing Scrub Cleanser. This is one of my favorite scrub cleansers. It's, oh my god, it's amazing, and it smells amazing too. It smells really citrusy, but this does a really great job of like cleaning my skin and just making my skin feel like it's super cleansed but also still moisturized. I like to use this when I've removed my makeup and I've already like used a regular cleanser, and then I go in with this one. It's like a double cleanse. It has these really tiny beads, so you really feel like you're exfoliating your skin. One of the best products from Origins. I feel like their Ginzing line is really good, so I picked this up. Again, from their Ginzing line is a repurchase for me, and this is the oil-free energy boosting gel moisturizer. I absolutely love this. Again, all of the Ginzing line smells really citrusy, so if you don't like citrusy or even scented products, you won't like this. But I do have oily skin, like I've said, so I do like to gravitate towards oil-free products. But what I love about this is that a lot of products that are geared towards oily skin, I feel like really just strip your skin of like any type of moisture. There's a product from their, I think it's like their willow herb line or something like that. I will have it here somewhere. That product, their moisturizer, literally makes you feel like dry. So but I feel like with this, it moisturizes my skin without making me look super oily. So I had to pick up this. Again from their Ginzing line, this is new to me. This is the Ultra-hydrating Energy Boosting Cream. This I'm not too sure about. Like, what does energy boosting even mean? I don't even know, but we'll see. I haven't tried it. Again, it just smells like the rest of the Ginzing products, but I'm really excited to try this. I will most likely use this at night because it says ultra hydrating, so I've got a feeling it's going to make me look a bit oily, but it says use in the morning and in the evening, so we'll see how this works out. And lastly from Origins is my all-time favorite product, and it is the High Potency Nitamine. I love this product so much. So this is a resurfacing cream with fruit-derived AHAs. I love this product. This is the best night cream out there, like one of the best in my opinion. It's absolutely amazing. It smells divine. It smells quite citrusy as well. All of their products, well, at least the ones that I've tried from Origins, smell quite citrusy. But I absolutely love this. You're meant to use this on your face at night and also on your neck. And I believe it's meant to be like a evening, like a night pill or something. But when I wake up, my skin feels so soft, so moisturized. It just looks amazing and it feels so soft, and I absolutely love this product. Get into this Nitamines because it's so good. Yeah, so I picked that up. And the last product I picked up is actually not luxury, it's from the Drugstore, but I had to show you guys because I love it so much. And it's the L'Oreal Smooth Scrubs Clear Scrub. And this is supposed to purify and lift blackheads, and it has 3 refined sugars and kiwi seeds. And this is like one of the best drugstore products out there in my opinion. It's one of the best face scrubs. It has, I don't know if you can see there, but it has the kiwi seeds. Oh my god. And you can also use it on your lips as a lip scrub, and it tastes amazing. I don't sit there eating it, but when you put it on your lips you can kind of taste it, and it literally smells like kiwis, and I love kiwis. Don't know if you can see that, but that's what it looks like inside. You can see the kiwi seeds. Amazing. This makes my skin feel so soft, so moisturized, so clean. I love this. It's amazing. You're meant to use it 3 times a week, which is something that I definitely do use. I think this was like a third off, and I believe they have maybe 2 other scrubs. They have like a coffee one and then another one which I'm not too sure about, but I believe this one is the best one out there. It's so good, and I always get it when they're doing like a sale on these because I feel like it's quite pricey for a drugstore product, but one of the best face scrubs out there. It's amazing. So that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Definitely give this video a thumbs up, and let me know of any video requests that you'd like to see, and let me know in the comments if you've tried any of these products, if you hate any of them. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. But thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.